The rivers of European continent. The Rhine River has a length of about 1,230 km and originates from the southeastern part of the Swiss Alps. Rhine begins in Switzerland, flows to North Sea. The Rhine River also falls in Switzerland's largest plain waterfall in Europe. The Volga River in Russia is Europe's longest river in Europe. Begin in Russia, flow into Caspian Sea. Danube River flow through 10 countries, is the second largest river in Europe. Danube River begins in the Black Forest region of Germany, drains into the Black Sea via the Danube Delta. Elbe River begins near the boundary between Poland and Czech Republic, enters Germany through its eastern side and finally ends in North Sea. The Dnieper River, the Loire River, is France's longest river, drains in Bay of Bengal, is a sea of France which is in Atlantic Ocean. Seine River is in Paris. Eiffel Tower is built on its bank. The Po River is in Italy. The Rhone River originates in the Rhone Glacier of Swiss Alps. The Tagus River is the Iberian Peninsula's longest river. It originates from the Montes Universalis mountain range in the eastern part of Spain and flow westward across the country. It then enters Portugal and flow in southwest direction before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean near the Portuguese capital city of Lisbon. Thames River is in London and the House of Commons is on its bank, built on its bank. Shortest river of Europe is Kukanjoki in Finland. Lake Ladoga near St. Petersburg in Russia is Europe's biggest lake and one of the world's largest freshwater lakes. Now, seas of Europe. Black Sea between southern Europe, Turkey, Ukraine and Russia. Gulf of Bothnia. Adriatic Sea between Italy and former Yugoslavia, presently Serbia. Ionian Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, Gulf of Terence, lying in Italy's boot shape. Ligurian Sea, Gulf of Antalya near Turkey. Sea of Marmara between Asian and European Turkey, and it is Samalest Sea. Aegean Sea, Barents Sea, Baltic Sea, which is bordering Baltic states. Mediterranean Sea separates Europe from Africa and Asia. English Channel, Bay of Biscay, bordering France and Spain in Atlantic Ocean. Gulf of Lions, bordering France in Mediterranean Sea. Kara Sea and White Sea is in Russia. Norway has the longest coastline in Europe.